What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And now that we got that out of the way, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We first will go over the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Then we'll look at prices in a little bit of details again. And I will show you my positions. It's always good to do that. I would like you to compare your positions with mine to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, whatever that we're doing. Okay, that's the agenda for today. But before we get into that, guys, let's address the elephant in the room. Let's address the elephant in the room. And by that, I mean, let's talk about KASPA's smart contracts. Okay, excuse me for a second. Yeah, you heard me right. KASPA's smart contracts, because most people don't seem to realize, okay, the implications, how big, how huge this is. Most people, come on. Most people don't seem to realize it. And that's why, like, you got to put this, let's switch angles a little bit. Right now, KASPA is on testnet. I've said it before, and I know you guys kind of tired of me saying it. But I need to remind a lot of people that watch my channel, KASPA is still on testnet. The way that the smart contracts are going to work on KASPA, it is something that has never been seen before. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let's take Ethereum, for example, or Solana if you want to. But Ethereum is more because Ethereum has examples of what I'm talking about way better than Solana. Ethereum has native smart contracts written on Ethereum. Okay, they work like Ethereum confirms the transactions on everything. The consensus is done on Ethereum. And again, Ethereum has layer 2s. Okay, you know them, Polygon, Matic, and it's a very good example. They do have those. Therefore, those layer 2s, they perform tasks. Those tasks, the confirmation is still happening on the Ethereum layers. Okay, why? The reason why they are fast, like they say, oh, they make Ethereum go faster. No, they don't. What they're doing, I don't know if you understand the technical aspect of it. What they're doing is like they take all those transactions. Let's say 5. I'm just going to throw a number out there. Let's say we have 5 transactions on Polygon Matic. Okay, what they do, they bundle those transactions and they send them into one line to Ethereum to confirm. You understand? And that makes you think like, oh, Polygon is fast. Polygon is not fast. It's not it's not fast like a lot of people are saying. It's just that what Polygon what Polygon Matic and the rest of the layer 2s, that's what they're doing. They're just bundling all those transactions. They bundle them on and send them to the Ethereum as one transaction. That's what they do. So Ethereum confirms this one transaction. It's like doing 5 in 1. That's what's happening. Now, KASPA is taking that to the next level. Understand? For example, I give you this. Right now, KASPA is the fastest because it's a block DAG. There's different lanes going in and out. Different lanes. That's why it takes like what, a millisecond, whatever. And you have all this bunch of transactions already confirmed. What KASPA is about to do is take the ZK rollups, zero knowledge, and the EVM technology. Okay, that's what they're about to do. So imagine right now that KASPA is as fast as it is, and imagine KASPA bundling those transactions all in each of the little pathways. Let's just call it like a highway, right? And each lane is a DAG. Imagine KASPA bundling 10, 15, or 20 transactions in one of those DAGs. So can you like imagine how many transactions KASPA is gonna process in a second? So that's why like it is being torn out there like KASPA is gonna have layer 2s. Guys, it's not gonna be a layer 2. It's gonna be something some kind of a layer 1, like what they call it 1.5. It's a kind of a layer 1 attached to the main KASPA system. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. That way you do not compromise the security of the entire transactions. You do not. It's just like let me give you an example. You guys remember Tornado Cash, right? Those of you who have been in this in the crypto how you call it, in this crypto business, you will remember Tornado Cash, in which you could send somebody money and they will not be able to trace it. That way you will not compromise your security. Understand? It's something similar like that KASPA is gonna do. So like I can send you money, nobody will know who sent it, how much it is, something like that. That way we keep the trilemma intact. Okay, we keep the trilemma intact and nothing is compromised. Versus Ethereum and Solana, you guys already know their security is not as great and they are not as centralized as a lot of people think. So yeah, it's going to be something very, very revolutionary. Excuse me. It's going to be very, very revolutionary because it's the first time we have a layer 1 proof of work having smart contracts. You understand? It's going to be, I don't know. I am so excited right now. And on top of that, they do have a date already. A date. So by the second quarter of next year, smart contracts will be on KASPA. And that tells you that, yeah, we are going to have KASPA do exactly what it did last season. KASPA, by the way, KASPA is just 3 years old. 3 years old. And we're about to have this done in the sense of that I think KASPA is going to run, it's going to go up, like keep on going up during the bear market. Because if you do your calculations, let's say the smart contracts get approved, not approved, getting implemented by let's say May, June, something like that, the ecosystem starts to run. And the bull run typically end up in October, November, thereabout. So yeah, everybody thinks Bitcoin is going to have a super cycle. I think the only one is going to have a super cycle. Come on. The only one that is going to have a super cycle is going to be KASPA. Because during the bear market, let's say if the smart contracts get implemented by May, June, for the ecosystem to start growing, going up and stuff like that, it's going to take, past the bear market. It's going to go even higher than that. Understand? And that, guys, I already explained in one of my videos, those smart contracts are so efficient, will be so efficient that KASPA will be a powerhouse for the DeFi, the gaming. Name it what you want to call it. That's why I keep telling you guys that this cycle that we are in, KASPA is posing itself to go to $10. And now that leads me again to another thing. Guys, you need just 10,000 KASPAs. That's what you need. You need 10,000 KASPAs for two things. Number one, if you just want to make money. Because if you get 10,000 and it goes to $10, you have your $100,000. That's one. Number two, if you want to be a part of this wealth transfer that's going on, 10,000 KASPAs, you buy them in, hold them on, don't touch them, leave them alone for the next 2 cycles. Not this bull run, the next cycle after that. The next bull run, guys, those 10,000 KASPAs could be worth more than you think. Because imagine if KASPA goes to $10 this cycle, what do you think is going to be the price next cycle? You're probably talking about $50 to $100. Because guys, everybody else keeps thinking that it doesn't make any sense. But once these smart contracts get implemented, KASPA is going to climb. And when I mean climb, I mean climb. KASPA is going to take that number 2 spot before you could even say hello. It's going to happen right in front of your eyes, because everything points out. Even just looking at the technology on paper, okay, I know it's not out. Just looking at it, Just looking at the technology on paper on what KASPA is going to be, guys, I am so excited right now that I don't know. I want to accumulate even more. I want to accumulate even more KASPA right now. It's just, if you miss Bitcoin, this is one that I don't think you can afford to miss. Because I said, Bitcoin is what it is. Okay, people call it store of value or store of value. I can tell you that KASPA, guys, is going to give Bitcoin a run for its money. Because KASPA is Bitcoin 2.0. Why is a Bitcoin a store of value? Because of the market cap, right? Because you can't tell me nothing else. Anything that Bitcoin is doing, KASPA is doing. So why can't KASPA be a store of value? You tell me that. So yeah, it is coming slowly. A lot of people see it, others don't see it, and I'm sitting here hammering, I'm throwing it at you guys every single day. Like, guys, you cannot be standing in the middle of the river and you let soap get into your eyes. You cannot be doing it. And it's coming faster than everybody think. Guys, first of all, first quarter next year, we're going to have us the 10 BPS, the crescendo upgrade. Once that is completed, smart contracts will be added to KASPA. Once that is completed, guys, dark night will come in, which means, guys, it is coming. I am so excited right now, and that is why I keep telling guys, you need to hold at least 10,000 KASPAs. They're not going to make you a millionaire, but they're going to put your foot right into that circle. They're going to put your foot into there. You can get 10,000. It goes to $10. You can sell and wait for the price to come down, rebuy in, or like I said, just hold it to 2 cycles. Oh, come on. Just hold it to 2 cycles down the line, and you will not regret that investment. Hey guys, it's not financial advice anyways. I am only showing you guys what I am doing. Anyways, now that we got that out of the way, let's go look at the market performance for the past 24 hours right quick. Let me grab my crypto bubbles right here, because you are going to be surprised. See that? Everybody else is like, excuse me. Everybody else is like, oh my God, what's happening? Again, Bitcoin is doing its thing. I told you guys, Bitcoin was going to run, and it's going to take a breather. Okay, so far I think we can still run a little bit higher, because I think Bitcoin is supposed to be at least between $95,000 to $100,000. Once we hit that, the market is going to correct, okay, which is normal. That we on phase 4 of the bull run. That's what we are in right now. Now let's go look at KASPA right quick, the king itself. KASPA. Look at that. For the past hour, KASPA is up 0.71%, 3% up on the day, 1.8% up on the week, 13.8% up on the month, and 11.4% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.79 billion, and the 24 hours trading volume sitting at $124.85 million. So, okay, let's go look at Quant. Quant, again, the coin a lot of people love to hate when instead of realizing the opportunity in front of them. So Quant, looking at Quant QNT, for the past hour, Quant is up 1.1%. On the day, we are down 9.2%. On the week, Quant is up 17.1%. And monthly, we are still up 19%. And on the year, we are down 21.2%, sitting at the market cap of $1.15 billion. Guys, just a couple of days ago, we were like, what, 800 million? It has started, and now you have a 24 hours trading volume. Guys, this has like skyrockets. 24 hours trading volume is sitting at $100.2 million. Okay, so we'll talk about the price in a little bit. Now let's go look at Jasmy, JAS, Jasmy, right here. Excuse me for a second. For Jasmy, for the past hour, we are up 0.84%. Okay, and we have on the day, we are down 6.7%, 7.1% down on the week, 8.3% up on the month, and 311% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.02 billion and a 24 hours trading volume sitting at $155.9 million. Okay, so just by looking at those numbers, you can tell, like, okay, we're having a breather. Like I usually say, this is the time if you want to enter a trade, not financial advice. You're supposed to look for those entry levels right now, because it looks like, we're having a breather on all these coins and it's about to take off. Okay, let me show you something right quick. Let me go in this one. We're gonna go somewhere. Where's my where is it? Here. Okay, I want to show you this. Okay, I'm gonna show you first quant. Let me show you something on quant right quick, because now is the time. People usually ask me, like, how do you find the entry level? And this is the entry points. Oh, it's already taken off while I was talking to you guys. This is on the daily. Okay, on the daily, look at the MACD and look at the stock RSI. That will tell you a lot of things. Okay, you see that it is still pointing up. That's one. And then look at that too, also pointing up. That's something, like you can see, it is still green and now it is going. Now let me go on the for you to find the entry point, you need to go even the lower time frame. Let's check on the 1 hour first. 1 hour. See, this is a perfect entry point for quant. See that? It's already turning. The color is already flipping. This one is almost flipped. This one's already flipped. The other one is already kind of flipping. Yeah, this is the time you need to start looking for that entry point. And even if you want to go on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour. See, 4 hourly. Now you wait. Like I said, you need to enter. This is what I would have done. I would have entered right now, even though the price might still come down a little bit. I might see myself in a negative for a little while, but it's going to reverse. But on the 4 hourly, you can see that we are still having a little bit more time. It needs to flip. Okay, this one is still going down. This one is still going down. But don't be how do I say this? Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out. See, a lot of people will tell you, like, no, it hasn't turned green yet. But this right here, it could bounce. You could see the blue line. It could bounce on the red one and keep on going up. So yeah, what you're gonna wait for? You wanna wait for the RSI to reset. Okay, once it resets on the 4 hourly, it is gonna come down. Once it comes down, it's gonna bounce. Like, it's gonna come down then bounce up. Once it starts to bounce, that is when you want to enter your positions. Again, that's what I would have done. I don't know about you, but it is a very, very good entry level right now. Okay, so anyways, let's go look at prices in details right quick. So we go here. We're gonna start with KASPA. You guys remember KASPA? I told you guys yesterday, if you follow the channel, I told you there is always an entry point for you to get in. Yesterday we talked about this price action right here. Okay, you remember I told you it is gonna go up. We are going to try this. Once we try that resistance, the most likely option is that we're gonna get rejected, get supported by the ribbon. Now I think it's gonna start going up again to try it again. So yeah, if you want to enter a position, this is a good entry level for KASPA, but you have to confirm on all time time scales. That's what you need to confirm with. For the 1 hour, yeah, it is showing a perfect entry. If you go on the 4 hourly, 4 hour right now. Okay, 4 hours now is not showing that much, because I think 4 hours, as you can see, I call this Star Wars. I think it's gotta come back down. It's gonna come back down to retest the moving ribbon. We gotta wait. Okay, so yeah, 1 hour, yeah, you can have your quick trade, make some money, get out, or you want to wait for the 4 hours to confirm with the moving ribbon. Okay, once it does, then yes, you can go in. Right now, KASPA is forming this powerful W, guys. Powerful W, which when it breaks out of here, as you guys can see, I already have my target already put in there. It's gonna be around that 20 cents. This W, this breakout W, is gonna be around 21 cents. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now for KASPA. Anything else is just noise. I'm looking at KASPA to break out in a couple of hours. It's already poising itself up, because this structure right here is showing it. It's showing that there is a breakout coming out in a minute, or I mean a couple of hours from now, not in a minute. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick again, because Quant is doing exactly like I told you guys yesterday. That's what is happening. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour right quick. See, on the 1 hour, you guys remember I told you, like, the problem I had with Quant yesterday is that price moved way too fast. That's what it happened. When it moves way too fast, I told you, do not enter a trade. Wait, there's always going to be a second opportunity, and that's exactly what's happening right now. You guys remember it ran all the way up, and I remember the RSI was down here. I mean, the moving ribbon was down here, and I told you guys, price usually comes down to retest that moving ribbon, and that's what we are looking at right now. Price came down, it's retesting the moving ribbon. I'm expecting the price to close above the weekly above $75. That's what I'm expecting Quant to do, and you can see right now it's gathering momentum. It's beginning to gather. I think looking at the price action right now, Quant is about to do the same. Like, it's about to go up again to try to break that resistance at $87, $88. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. It will be a very, very good thing if the price action could close above $75. That would be a very awesome thing to do. Again, the only thing I still having a problem with is the moving average. It's still way down here. I don't like that. It would have been perfect. Excuse me. Let me change that. It would have been perfect if the moving average was all the way up there. If the moving average was right here, that would have been perfect. But this being down here, it shows that price could fall as low as $70. Okay, that's could close that. But on the weekly, let's wait. I'm trying to see, like I said, it will be a very good thing for price action to close above $75 for Quant. Now, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour right there. Again, it's doing the same thing, and that, like I said, I don't like when price does that. Okay, see where the moving ribbon is? Look at where the price. So it has a potential to still fall all the way down until it meets the moving ribbon. But luckily for us, it looks like we are going to meet the ribbon around that $75, because it is still going up. The moving average also still going up. So let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit for a couple of hours to see what happens. So if you want to enter a trade, I would advise for you to wait, exercise patience, okay, which is one of the qualities of being able to trade on this market. Exercise patience, wait to see what is going to happen here. But people like me who I'm already on my trade, I really don't care. I'm already there. And again, you got to pay attention to a lot of things, guys. If Quant price action, if the price closes above $75, guys, that would mean like the week that we're about to start is also going to start green. And guys, look, we shot all the way up here, $95. That's exactly one of the resistances I've been telling you guys about, which means this week we're about to have Quant probably go above $95 sometime this week. That's what we're about to see. And for me, I'm expecting Quant to close the year above 125, above this. I'm expecting Quant to close the year above that resistance. So yeah, it is started. It has started. Those of you who did not believe, it has started, and many people are about to regret not having trades open. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. For me, Jasmine, again, we're still waiting for that 2.3 cents price action. Again, until it does that, until I see a daily close above 2.3 cents, I will still tell you guys, like, yeah, Jasmine is bullish, but do not over leverage until you see price close above 2.3 cents. Now, looking at the price action right now, you can see that we broke below the moving average. Okay, so we've done this a couple of times. So yeah, for me, I think they're still shaking out people. This price action still gonna, again, give it a couple of hours, you will see it above the moving average again and above the ribbon. But right now it's a little bit concerning because the ribbon is turning red. Okay, so let's see what happened. If you want to enter a trade, wait. I would advise for you to wait until this ribbon, even if it is red, once it starts to curve, that is when you should enter a trade. But for me, I'm still waiting until I see the price go above the 2.3 cents. That's what I'm waiting for. Now, if you go on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hours. 4 hours right there. There. See? 4 hours, exactly like I told you guys. Look, rejection on the 2.3, rejection 2.3, rejected 2.3. Now we're going down. So yeah, we still have price could come all the way down to 2 cents. Okay, because that's where we lost the moving ribbon. Now we still have the moving average down here. So yeah, if you want to enter a trade, again, exercise patience, wait to see what the ribbon is doing. If ribbon starts to curve, as long as we're still above the moving average, yeah, you can enter in your long. But yeah, for me, I already have my trades open and I'm waiting for price to go above the 2.3 cents. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, opportunities exist every time. They are there. All you have to do is find a perfect entry. The market is screaming to me right now, like, yeah, prices are about to go crazy. They're about to run. So it's up to you to find that entry for yourself. Me, you guys already know, I don't wait for price confirmation. I'm already in my trade. But anyways, if you want to venture into that, although I will only recommend you to buy your coins on spot. Buy your coins on spot and hold them. When the price goes up, you sell. But if you want to leverage trade, you have to use the links below, which are my Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex. Use those links, guys. If you don't, you're not going to get the bonuses. For you to get the bonus free money, you have to use those links. And again, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you lose your money faster than you can say hello. You lose your money. Rec City always have room for more people. I'm telling you, in Rec City, they have luxurious hotel rooms, first class, for anybody who does not know how to trade. If you don't know what you're doing, that's where they're going to give you that presidential room in Rec City. So please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do know, again, the links are below. Sign up using those links. You can follow me, follow somebody, or do you. I don't really care. All I care about is that you make money. That's all I care. So now let's go look at my positions right quick. First, we're going to start with Bydfi. Okay, Bydfi right there. Bydfi, like I told you guys, prices on quant were about to come down. That's why you're looking at my positions. We're still up, but we came down a little bit. Okay, as you can see, we came down 13,800, because like I said, prices on quant, they're going to come down, and then the pump will continue. So yeah, quant came down, and my overall dropped a little bit. As you see now, my KASPA, KASPA is still up $15. 15 cents. Wow, that's okay. Now you can see my KASPA, I am still down 20%, which is $1,000. And drum roll, for my quant, I am up 38%, which is 2,700. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. Okay, the way I trade at 50x, that is why you see my positions move like the move. And again, I don't care about price action because my liquidation is too low. That's why I like Bydfi. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to use Bydfi, because they allow you to put more money to your positions, and that drops your liquidation point. So yeah, let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex, which is the next one. Excuse me. Okay, let me sign in right here. As you can see, my Phemex, I am also still up. I'm still up 14,900. Okay, now you saw that what happens, like KASPA price dropped a little bit, it's gathering momentum, but I'm still up 14,900. Now looking at my contracts, you will see that on my Jasmine, I am still down 14%, which is 1,600, way better than what I was a couple of weeks ago. I was down almost 70%. So, okay, 14%, which is 1,600. And on my KASPA, wow, I'm down 17%, but that looks way better. I'm down 17%, which is $970, okay? Again, I am a very aggressive trader. As you can see, 50x right there, 50x. My liquidation way low. Way low. So that's why I do not worry about whatever price action is doing. I'm very happy, comfortable on my my trades. Like I told you guys, these are long-term trades, and unless something else happens, then I'll probably close one to make some money out of them. Now let's go look at my Margex right quick. If you go to my Margex, right here. For some reason, they had issues yesterday with their app, so I had to log in on my web using the browser. But anyways, Margex, if you go to my positions, let's go look at my trades right there. For the new one that I just opened with you guys the other day, I am up 176%, which is 1,700. Multiply that by 2 because I opened 2 of them. Okay, even my SUI is doing perfectly good. I'm up 200% on SUI, which is $2,000. For my third KASPA trade, I am up 461%, which is 4,600. Okay, the fourth one, I am up 160%, which is 3,200. And the fifth one, the fifth and the sixth KASPA trades, I am up 190%, which is $8,000. Guys, like I said, this is a money-making opportunity. We're in my millionaire journey. This is what we're here for, to make this money. So, so far, so good. Everything looks perfect. Okay, so yeah, this is what I tell guys about. You have to really look at these opportunities and try to capitalize on them. KASPA shit, we about to see KASPA running. Okay, let me go back here. We about to see KASPA running. The reason is because we have the listing in a couple of hours. Okay, we give it 2 days or so. So when Kraken lists KASPA, we are about to have us a lot of volume. KASPA, I'm telling you guys, we're looking at KASPA 2022, even price discovery with this Kraken listing. So therefore, yeah, we will see how these positions are going to look like when we get there. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. We're trying to get there. Let the family grow, guys. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share, because the more you share, the more the family grows. You never know. You never know what you're going to find in these comments, all right? Also, I like to read about what you guys think on what I will just talk about. Or if you think I'm crazy enough, yeah, put it down below. Put it down below, all right? That being said, guys, thank you again. Thank you very much for joining my millionaire journey. Until I see you my next time, please take very good care of yourself, and bye-bye.